All right. Hi, guys. Good morning. So this is going to be your online learning plan for the week of April 20th to the 24th. We have three little things that we'd like you to work on this week. So the very first one is going to be that same 10-point activity for your online learning plan. That's going to be due Monday by midnight, so you know what's going on and what we're asking of you this week. The next one is going to be something that we've actually never done before. It's going to be in Schoology and show up as a due date for you for Friday, April 4th at midnight. That's going to be actually labeled Nearpod Student Paced 2020 ITB balance sheet. So that's going to be through the Nearpod software. Everything should work okay, where you just open it up and you click through. It's got a couple guided questions and quiz questions for you that you just answer right in the program. So I think it'll go okay, but if for some reason there's any problem, please make sure you let me know. And the last thing we're going to ask you to do this week is we are working with this balance sheet work. On our balance sheet, companies are going to look at the information for 1 month that deals with the assets, liabilities, and also the owner's equity for a company. So your assets are items that a company owns of value, your liabilities are companies that they owe money to, and then your owner's equity is the value of how much the owner owns inside of the business. So it's a pretty cool concept, and we think we laid it out for you in a very clear way. If you have any questions this week, please make sure you reach out to me. And again, what we're going for is we're really shooting for a nice high score this fourth marking period, so you can choose to opt that back in for your quarters 1 through 3 grade and really bump up that GPA. If you have anything that you'd like to talk about, just drop me a line and I'm here to help you out. Have a good day.